Nate Thrasher, who was sent to the hospital during Moto 2 at Paula, even after finishing the first moto in 32nd place. We do have now an injury update from him, on both, I guess, from Yamaha and also from him. The initial post on Saturday from Yamaha said, quote, "Rider update. Unfortunately, Nate Thrasher will not line up for the second moto at Fox Raceway. The Tennessee rider who was involved in a first moto crash and as a precaution is being transported to a local hospital for further evaluations." Now, the post-race release from them said, quote, "Thrasher qualified 19th and then unfortunately crashed on the opening lap of the first moto and was run over multiple times. Showing grit and determination, the Tennessee rider rejoined the race and did what he could to earn at least the best result possible, finishing 32nd. In a lot of pain after the moto, he was evaluated on site at the Alpine Stars mobile medical unit, and as a precaution, he was transported to a local hospital to seek further evaluation. Thankfully, he avoided serious injury and will work towards returning next weekend." That's all good news. I mean, especially if you're in the first lap, there are a lot of people around you. I'm assuming it probably wasn't just one person who hit him, it was probably a couple. So to get back up, even finish the race in not a great position, but at least finish is a big thing. And as of now, we do have also a post from him on his Instagram saying, quote, "Tough day out there, got caught in a crash on the first lap and ended up getting run over multiple times. I gave it everything I had to finish the race, but once I pulled in and the adrenaline wore off and the pain kicked in hard. Medics sent me to the hospital just to be safe. Thankfully, it's nothing more than some contusions. I'll be doing everything I can to be ready for Hangtown. Thanks for all the support." Now, obviously, Yamaha definitely needs him out there. With Jeremy Martin going 2020, he really isn't anywhere close to competitive. Deegan obviously looks like he's going to be the championship leader or title leader for this season. And otherwise, what do they have? 4 other riders out. So there's a lot of that team that just aren't racing. So I don't know. Hopefully he can, knock on wood, he can heal up and at least be back there for whatever next weekend is. And we'll see. But comment down below. You guys tell me. Did you like Paula or Fox Raceway, whatever you want to call it, the opening round? Are you going to any of them? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do everything that this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.